So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you what are escape characters in Java. So first of all, let's start with introduction. So in Java, जो characters start होते हैं बैकस्लैश से, उन्हें हम Java escape sequence और escape characters कहते हैं, जैसे कि स्लैश n हो गया, स्लैश t हो गया, स्लैश n for the new line and slash t for the new tab space. And for the double quote, we usually write slash and double quote. And so these are the valid characters. So the Java compiler interpret these characters as a single characters that has a specific meaning to the compiler. Like slash b is for the backspace, uh, slash f for the feed, I think feed one, and the slash single quote is for the single quote, slash double quote is for the double quote like this, and slash t for the tab space. So these are the details, like slash t for the new tab, insert a tab in the text at the point, and this is for the single quote, the double quote for double quote, and the R for the carriage return, and double slash मतलब backslash character, स्लैश एंड मतलब न्यू लाइन हमारा अपने आप आगे आ जाएगी। मतलब जैसे हम प्रिंट करते हैं अकाउंट कोई भी टेक्स्ट को, तो अगर हम स्लैश एन लगा देंगे तो जिसके आगे हम स्लैश एन लगा देंगे तो वो जो लाइन होगी वो नई लाइन से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। फॉर द फॉर्म फीड के लिए हम स्लैश एफ यूज करेंगे एंड बैकस्पेस के लिए बी स्लैश बी यूज करेंगे। So these are the escape characters you can use in your Java programming, and the compiler interpret these characters, and that has some meaning to them. So hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.